Ever wish you could sit back and just let the leads come to you like an overflow of pipeline? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to talk about today in this video, which is how to use saved searches inside of Sales Navigator to have an everflow inbound engine. So let's get to it. So there's three main filters I'm going to talk about here, and then I'm going to talk about the bonus one that you can add onto it. So the first one that we're going to do is the company headcount. I really like this one because if you understand what type of companies you need to go after, you can distill it to make it a more defined search. So we're going to do 51, 200. You ain't here today. So funnel 1,000. Okay, so we have that one. That's going to filter. The next one is job title. So I'm selling influencer marketing services. So we're just going to do B2B marketing. And then we're going to look at seniority level to director to VP. Yo, they're trying to sneak in here on me. Nah, I don't want that. All right, there we go. VP. So we have about 233 people in the search. Cool. Once you do this type of search, the next step that you want to take is save it. Now, once it saves, we're going to click Save Searches. And we're going to go in here. So we're going to name it, actually, it's already got it for us, B2B Marketing Execs, right? 201 to 5,000. We're going to save this. Now, I can easily refer back to this every single time. Now, where does the inbound engine come into play? Morgan, what's going on here? So the next flow here is you see all these ones that have green. This is how we take advantage of the saved searches. And so this is personally my favorite part. This is where it gets fun. So we're going to use VPs and C-suites that have viewed my profile recently. So this is a search that gets updated on a weekly basis. And it's just going. So we're going to click this. So the new search that we created, and then in 2 weeks' time, it should have new people. So these are all the people that are VPs and C-suites that are first degree connections that have viewed my profile. So this is what I like to call low-hanging fruit. These are great people that I can reach out to start our conversation. And so now I can scroll through and look at all the people who have viewed the profile recently. All right. So now that I know this is a great way for me to create a video, send an email, whatever it is. And now this is my inbound flow that I look at every single week. And so if we go back to the saved searches, right, you notice I have a ton of examples here. Now, some of these examples, I haven't clicked into them because I do a lot of coaching and training on this. So that's why you see them open, just so I can show people how it works. But the ones this one I'm going to 100% use. This one I'm legitimately actually going to use, right? And so you want to create about, I'd say 3 to 8 of these so you can look at them every week to have your inbound engine flow. And so based on what they did, what action they took, you could reach out. So let's schedule a meeting today, right? Who wants to schedule a meeting? Come at this point if you're like, Morgan, I want a meeting scheduled today. This is when it gets fun. So the next step is, let's say I want to reach out. Let's say I want to reach out to Keenan, right? Everybody knows who Keenan is, right? So if I'm looking to reach out to Keenan, this is an example where he's viewed the profile. So this is a great way, if he's already first degree connected, to say, hi, Keenan. Saw you view my profile. What can I help with? Or the one I like to say is, hey, Keenan, saw you view my profile. Did I do something wrong? Or you can take it to the next level. Context within the context. Hey, Keenan, the reason for my videos, I saw you view my profile and I was on your website and you saw whatever it was there. And then you add your value prop and call to action. I'm just giving you a framework. Like I've said this a lot of times in my content and you all know, it's like we find a clue, we state the reason, we tell them why that's important, and then we have a call to action. It's that simple every single time. But we just have different trigger points here. So again, our trigger point is they viewed a profile, or here it's they're a B2B marketing executive. So I'm going to talk to my influencer marketing. Here's another one, I'm following their companies, change jobs. You get the gist. Each one of these, you should have a play. And then every single week, at the end of each week, a Friday afternoon, you're chilling, hanging out. Look at these and say, oh, wait, we printing, right? Because there's so many new results here. So that is how you create an inbound engine within Sales Navigator to schedule more meetings and obviously build a big fat pipeline. So if you like this video, feel free to share it out to people so more people can get this information. And looking forward to seeing y'all in the next Sales Navigator walkthrough.